What we're doing here today is installing a Furrion Vision S backup camera system on an RV. It has already been pre-wired for accepting the camera here. The little housing is already bolted to the RV, so we'll take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the camera from this one here. Now with these 4 screws here removed, you can simply just pick the camera up here, and here's our connection for the pre-wired one. On the top here, we'll just take these 4 Phillips screws out that hold this little dummy cover over here. And this will just drop right out of there. Okay, I got the camera here. I attached the antenna. You'll have to pull out enough wire from the female connector and put your male connector in there attached to the camera and push it in until it snaps. Then you'll have to position the wires in the back here so it tucks up inside there. So you can place it up here and replace those 4 screws. Okay, got those 4 screws in there. Do not over tighten them, they're just going into plastic there. And before you do it, you want to make sure that it's snapped in all the way before you start putting your screws in there. Put my antenna up here. Now we'll back the truck up. Connect the 7-way connector, the electrical connection for the trailer. That will power up this because the running lights will be on. And then we can pair it to the monitor and we should be all good. Okay, I have the trailer connected to the truck. Okay, I have the monitor power cord plugged in, and there's the monitor. It says no signal. On the bottom of the camera there is a pairing button. We'll go ahead and push that. Okay, it's working. I needed to turn my headlights on. The running lights on the trailer are what power it, and turn that on and it paired right away. We're all good.